Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Mike rode all the way from Ohio, rode not trailered, to spend the weekend and have an NVS Audio Stage 2 installed. He stayed at a hotel for a couple of days to give us time to go over his bike. The bike was completely untouched, it was completely stock, so everything was perfect, no hiccups. We were able to knock it out in a couple of days. He's coming to pick it up this morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Just tuned it last night, just coming in, giving it a final tune, make sure everything's good to go. He's gonna be super happy with it. So we went with Expert DSP, flashed the radio, Sound Digital evox 800.4 mounted under the factory radio. We went with the DB Drive Moto CDs, the new ones with the horn tweeter in the front. And he insisted on the Diamond Audio MP694 6x9s in our cut-in kit with the Harley logos. Everything looks super factory. This thing sounds really good. I'm happy with the way it turned out. Mike is aware that the MP694 is not waterproof, so he ordered himself a set of lid condoms to keep the water from destroying them, but he loves the output and he insisted on these speakers. Crossover hidden behind the tether. Bags are serviceable. XT60 quick disconnects. Nice factory fit and finish.
Tonight, I'ma get lit. Tonight, we gon' survive.